What's the meaning of BS? BS. BS.
BS. BS. The term BS is typically an acronym for bullshit. It is often used to describe something that is untrue or deceptive. This term can be derogatory and disrespectful, and its use should be approached with caution. The use of such language can create a negative impact on relationships, communication, and trust. It is important to consider the context in which this terminology is being used, as well as its potential effects on those involved. In professional settings, it is generally best to avoid the use of slang or derogatory language in order to maintain a respectful and productive environment.